guys, welcome back to Data Coders channel, and in today's video we are going to continue the same Python interview questions. I learned another Python interview question, and we'll continue this Python interview question series. So in today's video we'll see how to find a second greatest number from the array. So I will show you multiple ways how to find this second greatest number and see one by one. So let's start from first method. In that first method, let me take one number. Maybe I'll take one numbers. In that I can assign any random number like 20, 22, 40, 50, 54, something. Or maybe I can give some bigger number for this. Okay, so in that what I'm doing now, I got these numbers. Then after I need to check the length. So if you are going to search second greatest number, so at least you should have these two number. If you have less than two numbers, so definitely it will not work out. So we need to return like not enough number in the list to find this greatest number. So definitely we need to check that also. So what I'm going to do, I will check this. So what I can do, I can create one function. In that function I can call all this. So let's assume I can create this second largest, and I can pass these numbers what I have taken, and in that I can check if length length of numbers. So length of numbers, if less than 2, in that condition what I will do, I will return not enough numbers in the list. If we have this more number, then what I will do, I will continue this function, and there I can check largest equal and second largest number. And what I will do, I will assign some so since we are looking for like largest number, so I can give a float minus infinity, that means negative infinity. So it will take like will give that float, and I can give this minus infinity and negative infinity. And then what I will do, I will run one loop. In that loop I will pass for num in numbers. So what it will do, this num, it will go and it will check from this entire number one by one. So in that loop I will check condition if num greater than largest. If num greater than largest, then what it will do, second largest equal largest, and largest number so largest number equal num. So what I'm going to do, so number here you see num greater than largest. So largest value, if num is greater than largest, then what I will do, I will okay, so here what I'm doing, a num greater than largest, then largest value I'm putting here a second largest, because I need to find second largest. So and num will go for num will go for largest. Another what I'm checking, if condition doesn't satisfy, then I will go for elif. I will check num greater than second largest. If num greater than second largest and num not equal largest, in that condition what I will do, I will do second largest equal num, and that, and I a num in numbers. So what I am doing, this is the num, that means I will run this complete numbers list in loop, and for num, that means first 20 will take here, that means for loop satisfy, then it will go here, it will if check. So num, that means 20, largest, what is the value for largest? Now it's like negative infinity, that means num will be greater. So num will come as a largest, and largest value what we have assigned initially none, like negative infinity, so that will go as a second largest. So here it will be this 20. Now like a loop will run again, it will go for next number is 22. So 22, for loop will satisfy, then it will go for 22. So num is a 22 and largest will be 20. So num 22 is a greater than, then it will go in if condition, it will check. So largest, what we have a largest will be 20 here, largest will be 20 here, and num it's a 20 or 22, so largest will go 22. Now if condition satisfied, it will not go for elif. Now again in for loop it will run 42. Now for loop satisfied, then it will go for if 42. So num 42 and largest equal 22. That means num is greater. So if condition will satisfy, largest, what we have largest 22, it will go for 22. And what is the num now? 42. So 42 will come. Now it will go for next number. What is the next number? Next number equals 60. For loop will satisfy, go for if condition to check. 60 greater than largest. What is the largest number? 42. And what is the 60 this num? So that means if else condition satisfy, if condition satisfy, largest this number, what is the largest? Largest is 42. Largest, I mean as of now largest, it will go for second largest. And num is just 60 will come here. And this if condition satisfy, it will not go for elif, go for next 52. So still one number is there. For loop will satisfy, go for if condition 54 greater than largest 60. So if condition will not satisfy, because 54 is greater than largest, no, go for elif. In elif 54 number second largest, what is the second largest? 42. So that condition will satisfy. And num, what is the num? This 54 not equal largest, yes, not equal largest, is less than largest. Then num, that means 52 will be second largest. So what we'll do, we'll return this, will come out from for loop and will return this second largest. And we'll check this if second largest not equal this float, because let's assume like if will not get any value, so that in that condition initially we have taken this negative infinity. If not equal, then what it will do? So return second largest. If second largest not equal, float this number. Else what it will do? Else you can return no second largest number. So that the function. And what I will do, I will call this function. Maybe I can take one variable s largest equal this, and what I will do, I will pass this numbers, and I will print this I can print second largest number. I can print second largest number. So, and let's see what value. So second largest is 54. Second largest is 54, and largest number is 60. So this is the one way. This is the one method I can say. Now I can show you another method. You can use a similar. There are min max you can use. Instead of that, you can use min max. I can take the same number here. And I will create again another function. In that function, what I will do, I will take one max largest number, and I will use a max function. I can take max function. And what I can do, I can take one mean number, maybe mean num. There what I can do, mean number I will take, mean numbers. Okay, and then what I will do, I will just run the loop for num in numbers. So what we have a number, this number. So this 20, 22, 42, 60, 54. So that I will run, and I will check this condition. If num, what number I have taken, if num greater than this min number, if greater than min number, and num not equal max largest, not equal max largest, then what it will do, it this a num, you can take this what will be there, this min, that min value, min num I have taken, that will be this that will be the mean. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking this numbers. In that number, what I'm doing, I'm checking the max. What will be the max? So max value will go here, max largest, and min number, and min number will go in max min. So here, and I will run this loop. In this loop, I will check for num in numbers. What is the number? This list will run, and this for num. So one by one it will run. First it will go for first number for, and this loop will exist, and then it will go for check if num this 20 greater than min number. So what is the value in greater minimum, and it will check this num not equal max. So yeah, definitely it's not max equal number, then it will go min, that value will become as a min value. Okay, so that I will do, and I will check each and every. So all that time it will make sure, it will run the loop. Second time it will go. So now this is the min value. Again it will go for loop 22. It will come in the loop. For loop will exist. Go for the if condition. Now this 22 min, it's greater than min number. So now min number is a 20. Definitely it's a greater, but it's a less than max largest. It now 22 will be the min. Go for again this for loop 42. This for loop will exist. Then it will go for if condition num is a 42 greater than min number, greater than min satisfied. Then go for a and condition and check num this 42 less than not equal max largest, yes. Then this 42 will become as a min number. Go for 60. Next number for loop will satisfy. Go for if condition num 60 greater than min number, yes, greater than 42, and check this not equal max, yes, correct. Then it will be 60 will become this min number. Now go for next number 54. For loop will satisfy. Then if 54 greater than min number, no, because min number is 60, and num not equal max largest, no, then num 54 will become as a min number. So what I will do, this I will return this min num, and after that there is no any other number, so it will come out from the loop and will return this number. So again what I will do, I will just, let me copy this. I can reuse of this code, and I can change this number. Let me no need to, what I can do, I can make this function 1, and I will run this, and so that you don't need to comment this also, it's fine, because I changed this function name. So here, and now I'm going to run this s largest. Let's see. So see here, if I'll do something more number, maybe 78, maybe 67. See this 67 all the way, what the biggest number, 78 and 67. So that your second method I can say, where we are using this min and max function. Now I can show another method. In that method, what we are going to do, we can, here I can do min and max method. And in this third method, what we can do, we can use this remove function. So what we can do, I will create one similar function. In that function def, I can make like second largest. I am changing this function name. I can, these numbers, I can pass these numbers. And what I will do, I will create one largest here, only largest, and then I will check the max number. That's the very easiest method to find. But make sure if when you are attending the interview, if they will ask not to use inbuilt function like max, min, then you have to go through the first method what I have what I have explained there. I'm not using any min and max function. I'm just directly doing through loop, for loop. So here what I'm doing here, using this I'm creating one function, second largest. There I'm taking a max function, numbers I'm passing, I'm finding this largest number, and then what I will do, so now I have a number in from this numbers dot remove. What you have to remove? You have to remove the largest number. So you will remove the largest number, and then after what you can do, you can return a max of numbers. You can return max of numbers. So basically what we are doing, this is the number. Let me copy a number from here. The same number I can use, or I can use the same number. What I am doing here, I have created these numbers. In that number 2022 and this. So what the max? The max is 78 here. So I am just getting this largest second this 78 number here, and numbers dot remove. Using this new remove function, I am removing the largest. That means 78 I am removing. So what will be the left? So this if you arrange, so 67 is the max number. So here I am here I am returning the max number. So what will be the left number? 67 will be the max number among all this number, because 78 already I have removed. So now this function, let me call this function. What I will do, I will use this, and here I will change this function name. Here I will change the function name. Left will be the same. I can comment this also, and let's see. So here what I am doing, so 67, let me add few more number, maybe 89, maybe 90, maybe 34. So max number is a 90, and second largest number is 89. So you can see second largest in number. So by that way I have shown you three method. One, so I hope you like this video. If you have any other suggestion or any other way, please write in comment section, and we'll see from there. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.